Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Good morning everybody, good morning and welcome to a very unusually warm day for this time of year. I mean, it's like December now, isn't it? No, end of November, 30th when I record this, and it's 11 degrees. 11 degrees! Completely nuts! A couple of days ago I was out and it was, get my words out, a couple of days ago I was out and it was -1. -1, I'm out of breath because I just come up a hill. And then today, 10 degrees. The country's crazy, isn't it? Crazy. And go from such extremes. I'm not complaining at all. It's very nice. Actually, I want to start the day off with a rant. Just came behind a bloke jogging. The new thing at the moment, well around here anyway, is jogging with the dogs. So they're jogging along with headphones in and dogs running around all over the place while they're jogging. Honestly, nothing wrong with jogging with dogs, but it's a fact of you do it on the lines where there's other people about. Anyway, I came behind him, rang my bell, didn't hear us. He went a bit further down, dogs running around, and luckily he took one of his earbuds out. So I just shouted, you know, could go past there. Yeah, no bother mate, go past. As I was going past, one of the dogs ran in front of the wheel. I was millimetres off hitting it. And then he went, oh, that was always going to happen, wasn't it? Felt like saying, no, not if you control your dogs. And then I heard him say, sure, rang your bell. I did ring my bell, but there's no point even arguing with these people, because people just want to get an argument, have a fight and stuff, so I thought, no, I'm having none of that. So yeah, the other day I was out, thick gloves on and my scarf thing and my hat. Fingerless gloves today. Thin autumn jacket, it's only a thin one this, and I've got thin leggings on. I could have probably almost got to move shorts today. I was debating it, I thought nah, pushed a bit too far I think shorts in November, well December, beginning of December tomorrow. And in case you haven't already noticed, I'm full of cold as well. Had a cold last week, well the week before as well, got over that one, and then we all got together, all the family, 10 of us got together in a cottage. Well, I say cottage, it was a big old schoolhouse for my parents-in-law's anniversary, and it was good, we all got together, had a good laugh, had fun, and I caught cold off somebody again, so just got rid of one cold and got another one straight after. So yeah, when we were down at that cottage, we arrived and it was just wet. And the next morning it tipped it down with snow, loads of snow. But luckily we weren't going anywhere, we were just staying in the cottage, so it was alright. It's quite magical really. And then the day after that, it rained again, it was wet and warmer, and all the snow disappeared. Very strange, very strange. I had a hot tub there as well, so it was kind of strange going in the hot tub when it's freezing cold, but it's good fun, good fun. So today I'm hoping I'm going to do about 50 miles, see how I feel, like I said before, see how my chest feels, cold feels, but that's the plan. See, they're going to be 40 or 50, one of the two, so let's see how it goes, we'll crack on, see how it goes. So I came around this track the other day when it was really cold. It was like -1 or something like that, and I got lit across the road 3 times. It's like I crossed over the road a few times on this track. Some busy roads too. And somebody stopped on each road to let us across. Amazing. Maybe it was the same person just going around all the roads. Maybe it was a view from the channel. If it was, thank you. So that's nice. I actually met a bloke as well on here, and 70-year-old. 70-year-old. He was fit as a fiddle. He was bumming along. I had a good chat with him. Nice bloke. I thought, you know, I hope I'm still doing that at 70, I tell you. You would have thought he was about 50 at the most. Didn't look 70 either, looked very young. He was riding really well. Yeah, 70. Impressive. Very impressive. I'm not sure if I've shown you my new additions to my bike. I might have. If I have, I do apologise, but I've got a new mudguard there from Lidl. Prop one this time with bars attached to the bike. There's just cable tied on the frame there. Still the same mudguard on the front there that I had before. But yeah, I've got a new mudguard. Hopefully keep some of the rubbish off. And a new back tyre. Brand new back tyre, look. Yeah, my old mudguard was okay, but it was like, didn't cover the wheel properly and it was flopping around all over the place, so didn't give us good coverage, and you need it when you're on these tracks in the winter. When it's okay today, like, it's quite firm today, but you can get absolutely the eyes. With the tyre, I always know when I need a new tyre, not so much for the grip, but for punches. I always get loads more punctures when the tyre gets down, which makes sense, I suppose, because less rubber is in there between you and the ground. And I start getting loads of punctures, and then I know it's time to choose the tyre. So that one was from Halfords, I think. I'm sure I bought it from Halfords. It was only about £11 or something like that. I think it was £11, or it might have been less, but it wasn't a fortune. And seems to do the job well. Decent grip and no punctures. Shouldn't say that. Oh, I've said the word now, haven't I? Shouldn't have said that. Ignore that last part, so I'll jinx myself. I just saw a deer, just in that wood back there. Amazing. Amazing that such big animals, isn't they? Like, so close. I mean, he can see the road, he can hear the road beside us. Just in there, and then just across there, there's a deer going through that wood. Amazing. Amazing. You do see a fair few deer around here, actually. So I see quite a few deer at home as well. But it always amazes me how close they are to, you know, civilization and things. Right beside us, eh? Amazing. Another kind person lives across the road up there, near a busy roundabout. Good stuff, good stuff. Thank you to whoever you are. It's nice to be a bit of kind, isn't it? So I've nearly done 20 miles, and I've got about another 30 to do. I just had 2 more people lives across the road back there. 2 more roads across and got led across. Fantastic. So I just had somebody give us some grief. Unbelievable. There was a lad in front of us actually, he was going pretty fast, and I was coming up behind him. And this bloke with dogs and a kid on his back shouts at me to slow down. He basically blocked the path. He saw us coming, he walked out with his dog, moved them in front of us, and then told us to slow down, so I stopped. And you know, he was a cyclist as well. He said he was a cyclist, and he was okay. I mean, it was all right at the end. We shook hands on that at the end, but what he's doing is basically having to go at me because the cyclist in front was flying, and he said to him, slow down. And that cyclist, you know, swore him. So then I was the next cyclist in the line, and he thought I was with him, started having to go at me. It's like, I'm not with him, I don't know who he is. But you know, you don't have to go at somebody else just because somebody else is flying. I mean, this track is a fast track because it's downhill. You know, it's a slight downhill over there. But you know, I was slowing down for him. I'd seen him and I'd slowing down, but obviously that other bloke had wound him up. That's where it was. Hey, people, people. Well, you admitted, I said, you know what it is? I said, he's wound you up. I said, he's wound you up basically because he's come flying down, and then you've had to go at me, and he admitted, he said, yeah, probably. So yeah, I was just the punch bag basically. I don't know if you can see the swans over there. just there. Well, the swans are obviously got the river, somebody must be feeding them. It was amazing to me that swans can even fly the size of them. They're huge. Huge. Beautiful creatures though, beautiful. So, I'm at one of my favourite resting spots, as you can probably see. Lovely castle in the background there, where I photographed many weddings in the past. Just gonna have 5 minutes rest here before I head back up that way. Done 31 miles so far. I've got about another 20 or so to go. I'll be soon heading up the side of the dual carriageway, where it's really noisy. Really noisy. Got the cars obviously. But I'm going to break here first, 5 minutes before I head back. I'm hopefully going to get back before it gets dark. I've got my light on here. You can see here. My job's with the light there. With the battery pack here. Actually this here, when I got it out this year, still had charge on it. Been lifting the cupboard all year, still had some charge on it. So it's really good light actually that. Katie bought me that. So I've got that on just in case. By the time we get back, it's probably getting close to dark. I think it gets dark at, well, according to the crew, it gets dark at 4:45. So, and it's now 10 to 3, so yeah. It'll be probably getting dark by the time we get back, so I won't sit here too long. So back on the lines now, back on the track, and the difference in sound is amazing. It's so noisy beside the main road back there, so noisy. But yeah, back on their lines again, back on there, peace and quiet. Yeah, it's starting to get dark. It probably doesn't look on the camera because this camera always makes things look brighter than what it is. Yeah, but yeah, I'll probably go about half an hour of daylight. So we'll go. I'll put the light on soon. And I may have to finish the video early as well because you're not able to see us. I tell you what, that's a pretty sky, mine. That's a very pretty sky. That's the thing with this time of year, isn't it? Winter, you get this lovely sky. It was like that yesterday morning. Was it yesterday morning? Really lovely colours in the morning. It's lovely, nice, very nice. Getting darker and darker. I've got about 5-6 miles, something like that to go. But, yeah, that's what my light would soon, I think, but that's very pretty, very pretty. So I've done 46 miles, 46.1. By the time we get back, it's going to be about 50 or just under 50, 49, something like that. Hope you can see it's okay, by the way. It's getting pretty dark now. It's not totally dark, got the light on my bike, but it's starting to get pretty dark, as you can see in the camera here. But it's been a good ride, I've enjoyed it. It's been very, very mild, very, very warm. Spookily warm. I'm going to sign off now. And I look like a black shape on the camera. Sorry folks, sorry it's very dark. It's like hardly light at all. And I'll catch you all soon. So take care of yourselves out there. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye bye.